Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your REALME C63 is on the blacklist. Alright, so let's begin. So now we are on the IMEI info page. You can see the link right in here. And now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all options on this site. And in that video also I'm showing you how to find the IMEI number of your device. So if you want, you can look for it. Now let's click on check IMEI. Once we have typed our IMEI number, now we have our REALME C63. Below we also have some basic information about our device, but we need to scroll a little bit more until we find the basic checks. And in here we have the Blacklist simple check and also the premium check. Let's begin with the simple one. The simple one is completely for free. And now click on this blue button, check blacklist status. Now we need to wait up to 20 seconds, but it should be even faster than that. Okay, now we have our result and we have a confirmation that our device is clean. Below we can take a look at our IMEI number also. We have confirmation that the device is clean. And below we have the date on which the report was created at. And now we can go straight from here into the Blacklist Premium. We need to click on Order Now. And as you take a look, the premium version costs $5 and the time needed for that is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. But when it comes to the advantages, I can click on Read More About. Now scroll down. And here you have the advantages of using the paid version. So, if your device is clean, the result contains model number and manufacturer. If your device is blacklisted, the result contains many details such as model, manufacturer, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, and blacklisted on. All results in premium service contains PDF certificate which you can share. The result is saved on your IMEI info account history. You can download PDF certificate anytime. The result is fast, accurate, and detailed. Okay, and here you have a comparison how it will look like when the device is clean and how when it's blacklisted. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.